In order to help you save some time in the long run, put your daily work questions into banks. You can use several kinds of questions, multiple choice. Please don't use true, false. You can do multiple answer, matching, fill in the blank. There's a lot of different questions that you can use, so make use of those. And then you can pull them all into the lesson review. But then you can also use them for your section quizzes and your tests later on, which means you're only writing a question once. Now, let's just break this down. Each lesson should contain a review. I would say no less than 5 review questions. You need a significant number of questions, unless, of course, your assignment is something that they have to write. That would be the only exception to that. Each section should contain a section quiz, and each module should contain a test, and every 5 modules should contain an exam. And we need to try to put reviews, some kind of review assignment in for those tests and those exams. And by using banks, we don't have to write the same question in 4 different ways or even 4 different times. The way I've done it, and I'm showing you guys the U.S. history course, each lesson review pulls from a specific bank. And I number those according to the module layout with just a short title so that I can find them. Each lesson pulls from a specific bank, and it's best to number those according to the module number and title. Just give them that number, give them that title. To create a bank, the easiest way to do this is to go over here into quizzes. And then you come to the side here and click Manage Question Banks. And as you can see, I have lots of question banks already. Then you're going to click Add Question Bank, and then it'll give you this little blank box, and you give it a name. And this is after you hit Enter, and this is what you get. Click Sample, and then click Add a Question. And then this is I'm going to make this a fill in the blank. This is a blank. And this is a test, is a possible answer. And I have done these with changing the spelling, sometimes changing the capitalization. I'd really like them to get in the habit of using the correct capitalization even when they're doing fill in the blank. And then you just click Update Question. And there you can see our question in the bank. Type out all your questions, and then you're done with the bank. This is, again, the easiest way to do this that I have found. I just go back into modules, and I find my quiz, or let's just do the review. I'll go to the first one, and click Edit. And I go into Questions, and this is how you get your bank into your quiz. Go to New Question Group, and you'll get this. And then you're going to link to a question bank, and this will load all of your banks. And you scroll down. There's the one we just made, Sample. And then click Select Bank. Open your quiz. You just click Create Group. Now, what I did not show you, you can choose here how many questions come from your bank and what point value you want each question to be. So in your quiz, your daily work, you can make them 5 points per question. And pick 5 questions from the bank. If you write 5, you pull out 5, and you make them 5 points apiece. There's a 25-point daily quiz. In your section quizzes or your module quizzes, you may want to adjust that, and especially you're going to want to adjust the number that's being pulled. So you just tell it how many questions to pull and how many points per question. Click to update that. All you're going to do is click Save, and you're done.